If you need to add a trademark symbol in Adobe Photoshop, there are two easy ways to do it, and in this video I'll show you both. Whether you want to type the TM symbol quickly on Windows or insert it through Photoshop's Glyphs panel, this guide will help you do it step by step without any confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Adobe Photoshop tutorials and quick design tips. Let's jump right in. First, I'll show you the fastest method for Windows users. This is the keyboard shortcut method, and it works best if your keyboard has a dedicated numeric keypad on the right side. Start by selecting the horizontal type tool, which you can find by pressing T on your keyboard or by clicking the type tool in the toolbar. Then click anywhere on your canvas to create a text cursor. Once your blinking cursor is active, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While still holding Alt, type 0153 on the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. After that, release the Alt key and the trademark symbol will appear instantly. This is a very useful shortcut because it lets you insert the symbol directly while typing without needing to open any extra panels. But there is one important thing to remember. This method only works with the actual number pad on the far right of your keyboard. The number row above the letters will not work for this shortcut, so if nothing happens, that is usually the reason why. If you are using a laptop without a dedicated number pad, you may want to use the second method instead. Now, let's move on to the Photoshop Glyphs panel method, which is the best option if you want more control or if your font includes special characters. This method is especially helpful for custom fonts because many fonts include hidden symbols that you can insert directly into your design. To do this, first make sure you have selected your text layer. If you are starting from scratch, simply create a new text layer with the Type tool. Next, go up to the top menu in Photoshop and click Window, then choose Glyphs. This opens the Glyphs panel, which displays the characters available in your current font. Once the panel is open, scroll through the symbols until you find the TM trademark icon. Depending on the font you are using, it may appear in a slightly different style, but it should still be easy to spot. When you find it, simply double-click the trademark symbol in the Glyphs panel, and Photoshop will insert it right where your text cursor is blinking. This makes it a great option if you want to keep your typography consistent with the rest of your design. It also gives you access to symbols that might not be available from the keyboard at all. If you do not see the symbol right away, try changing the font to another one that supports more glyphs. Some fonts have a much larger character set than others, so switching fonts can reveal more symbols and accents. This is one of the reasons the Glyphs panel is so useful for logo design, branding, and professional text layouts. So, to quickly recap, if you are on Windows and have a numeric keypad, the fastest way is Alt plus 053. If you want a more visual method or need a custom font symbol, use Window, then Glyphs, and double-click the TM symbol. Both methods are simple, and once you know them, you can add trademark symbols much faster in future projects. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more Photoshop tips, shortcuts, and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.